So GR-510 router 2016, coolant tank was never charged and the machine only operated a couple of hours. It just was never incorporated into our program. It's in really good condition. It only has a couple of hours on it. The spindle is clean with no nicks. They cut one project on it. This large aluminum plate and the touch probe will be negotiated separately, but the machine does have the receiver for a probe and touch probe. Serial number information here, and we'll run it across cycles. At 2,000 RPMs, then it'll go to 8,000, then to 15,000 before I dial it down. That's the full travel of 61 by 121. We have a handful of long tool holders negotiated separately as well.